Hello friends, welcome to our channel Infinity Infopedia. What if I told you that in 2023, we will see more digital twins, factories, machineries and cars, and that all of this can be done in a safe digital environment? I bet you would be interested in knowing more. So, welcome to today's video, where we are going to talk about how the digital world and the physical world are merging in exciting ways. Digital twin technology is a virtual simulation of real-world processes, operations, or products, and it's taking the manufacturing industry by storm. Imagine being able to test a product without the high cost of real-life experiments. With digital twins, designers and engineers can recreate physical objects inside virtual worlds and test them under every conceivable condition. But that's not all. After testing in the virtual world, engineers can tweak and edit components, then create them in the real world using 3D printing technology. For example, Formula One teams are using digital twin technology to improve their car's performance. They collect data transmitted from sensors during races, track temperatures and weather conditions, and stream the data from the sensors to digital twin of the engines and car components. They run scenarios to make design changes on the fly and 3D print car parts based on the results of their testing. It's amazing how technology is advancing and the possibilities seem endless. With the integration of digital twins and 3D printing technology, we are bridging the gap between the digital and physical world. So, what do you think about this trend? Do you have any idea on how this technology can be used in different fields? Let me know in the comment below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.